Online sales are going to be huge in 2024, and there's a few key things that I think are going to either make or break your Shopify store. I've been creating these trends videos for a few years now on YouTube, and honestly, I've been right a lot of the time. So these are my top 4 takeaways for setting your store up for success in 2024. The first one is going to be video marketing. With so many different brands online now, it's really important to show a little bit more about your brand and your personality. I love to do this with video because it lets people connect with you and it makes them feel connected to your brand and your mission. So a great way to do this is showing behind the scenes. Instead of just posting your product online to sell it, actually show the whole process behind the scenes of creating your product or actually packaging up your orders. Then customers feel like they're more tied to the end product that they're purchasing because they got to see you actually creating that each individual step. I also love to use user-generated content. So this is where people will purchase your product and then take photos or videos using that. This can be so helpful in establishing credibility of you as a brand, and you can also use that in your marketing as well. My favorite platform for this is Looks, where you can actually incentivize people to send a photo or a video review, and you can have the whole thing automated so you don't have to worry about actually reaching out to each individual person as well. Another big piece of video marketing is live streaming. We saw this kind of debuted with Amazon, where people are again getting to interact with you. You're seeing more of that transparency and behind the scenes as well. So any way that you can add more of that transparency and behind the scenes look in your business is really going to be key of setting yourself up differently from your competition. Next is fast timelines. US consumers specifically are used to receiving orders within 2 to 3 business days from when they place that. Thanks so much, Amazon, for that one. It can be really hard to compete with Amazon specifically in their shipping times. A lot of times you can get a little bit of leniency being a handmade business, but you want to make sure that you're getting your actual items out to consumers quickly whenever they purchase from you. You also want to make sure that you're responding to them quickly as well. If a customer emails you or DMs you, you want to have quick responses to that questions because that can actually make or break a sale. So one of my favorite ways to do this is with a Shopify chatbot. You can have this on your site to answer different questions, and it's all done through the power of AI to automatically answer those questions. You can also have this connect into different social media platforms. So all of your Facebook and your Instagram questions are all answered really quickly, and it's a seamless experience. I'm so excited to partner with Tidio for this video, which is my preferred Shopify chatbot. They honestly take customer support to a whole new level with their AI-powered chatbot. Tidio is an all-in-one chatbot for Shopify stores that you can embed on your website to quickly answer your customers' questions. With their AI software, Lyro, you can give your customers quick responses in just a few seconds, not minutes, while still making it sound conversational and friendly like we're used to with human support. You can also automate the chat process using their built-in chatbot templates, like welcoming a returning customer to your store, highlighting related products that they may be interested in, and stopping abandoned carts before they even happen. They also offer email marketing automation, so you can segment your list and send the right email to customers with specific messaging or discounts so that they're more likely to convert into a repeat sale. Tidio also connects with other platforms that potential customers may be sending you messages on, like Messenger, Instagram, and email, so that everything is all organized together. This makes it faster for your customers to get the responses that they need, and also easier for you and your team to manage. Customer support is obviously a crucial part of running a business, but when you're already wearing all of the hats, it can feel like just one more thing to add to your to-do list each day. So let's all agree to work smarter and not harder in 2024 with a chatbot for your Shopify store. You can try a 7-day free trial of Tidio plus 20% off any paid plan with my link in the description below. Next is going to be mobile design. Over 75% of shoppers now say that they prefer to actually shop on their mobile device compared to their desktop computer. So with that, you really want to make sure that your website is optimized for mobile. So what does that mean? Well, it means that your images are going to be cropped specifically. So maybe you get a nice horizontal view on your desktop if you're seeing your slideshow on your homepage. But on mobile devices, it's cropped in, it's a tighter cut, it's more square, so it fills the screen really nicely. You also want to just make sure overall when you're designing your Shopify store that things look good on mobile. You can switch to a mobile view when you're customizing your store just to check it out and make sure that everything looks good there. You also then want to think about the speed of your Shopify store and making sure that you're resizing your images and getting everything so that it just loads really, really quickly on your site. We've got another video coming out soon about how to speed up your Shopify store. So if you're interested in that and more Shopify tutorials, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Another key part of mobile design is making sure that your ads are optimized for mobile as well. I cannot tell you how many times I get ads that are just cropped weird, or there's all these negative space areas around the ad image itself. And you want to make sure if you're spending the money to actually have your ad showcase on multiple different platforms, that you've gone in and you've optimized that image. So again, you're cropping it in, you're turning it into a video, whatever it is that's important for that platform, you want to make sure that you're putting your best foot forward and you're really thinking through and optimizing things for each individual ad platform and for your different creatives. Lastly, we cannot talk about e-commerce trends for 2024 without definitely highlighting AI. AI is a huge component that came out here recently, and we're just seeing more and more how we can integrate it into businesses. It can be super important to use for e-commerce businesses because you can really automate your workflows. So I love to use AI for naming your products or your product descriptions. You can also have it for writing different copy on your site, or even for optimizing your marketing campaigns. Talking about the ad images and sizing them correctly, you can use AI to actually resize your images for social media or for your marketing campaigns to make sure that everything is looking really nice and crisp. I feel like a lot of people right now are still a little unsure about what to do with AI, but we're seeing a ton of platforms, including Shopify, really embrace that with their rollout of Shopify Sidekick. So I think thinking through of exactly how to use AI to speed up your workflow, to help with your order fulfillment or your customer service is going to be really crucial for 2024 and helping you scale your business even faster. So if you're ready and excited to grow your Shopify store in 2024, I would love to have you as part of this community. Make sure again to hit that subscribe below. I post weekly videos all about Shopify and step-by-step tutorials to help you launch and grow your Shopify store. If you're interested to learn more about my journey and how I got started on Shopify, check out this video over here next, where I go step by step through my process and my journey with Shopify over the last 14 years.